I'm Dr. Mini Salunke, Head of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Mom Story, Sahyadri Hospitals, Hadapsar. Today we'll be discussing a very interesting topic. इस टॉपिक में हम ये डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कि 40s, अर्ली 40s में अगर प्रेगनेंसी होती है तो क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं एंड शुड आई कंटिन्यू दिस प्रेगनेंसी इफ आई कंसीव इन द अर्ली 40s. In today's day and age, we see that because of the career options in the women and because of the financial independence that the woman wants, we see that more and more women are opting for pregnancy in the late 30s and the early 40s. इसका ये मतलब है क्या कि वो प्रेगनेंसीज हमेशा ही प्रॉब्लमेटिक होंगी, हाई रिस्क होंगी, उसको मैं आगे ले जा सकती हूँ कि नहीं, ये डर हर एक औरत में होता है. Let me reassure you that not all pregnancies will be high risk, or it is possible that there are many pregnancies which will be sailing smoothly in the early 40s and the late 30s. इसमें डिस्कशन में ये बात आती है कि is it really difficult to conceive in the late 40s or in the early 40s? The decline of fertility is seen in the late 30s and early 40s क्योंकि ovaries में जो eggs हैं वो धीरे धीरे कम हो जाते हैं. Also the number of unhealthy eggs in the ovaries will increase. If you conceive with an unhealthy egg and an unhealthy sperm, then जरूर आपको chances of miscarriages in the first trimester या preterm losses in the early second trimester होंगे. लेकिन ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि all the eggs or the sperms are unhealthy. If fortunately there is a good zygote, it will definitely grow well even if the age is more. इसमें problems high risk pregnancy का ये आता है in the early 40s कि the pregnancy becomes high risk because of two conditions, the high risk conditions in the fetus and the high risk conditions in the mother. Mother में high risk conditions उस age तक पहुंचते तक क्या होता है in the late 30s and early 40s, that in general your body starts showing a little decline if you compare it to the early 20s or the late 20s. इसमें you might have some pre-existing illnesses like hypertension, diabetes, and on top of that there might be some pregnancy-induced illnesses like more chances of obesity, pregnancy-induced hypertension and diabetes. So this becomes the high risk in the mother. But basically what we are concerned about is that as the age increases, there are increased chances of Down syndrome. Right from 1 in 400 in the 30s, early 30s to 1 in 70 or 1 in 19 in the early 40s or the late 40s. Such babies may present with some genetic abnormalities or chromosomal abnormalities which we have to take care of in the early diagnostic tests. More than that, it is the growth restriction of the baby because of the mother's hypertension or diabetes and preterm deliveries which would be on the rise in the late 40s or the early 40s. So the question is that should I continue this pregnancy or not? Definitely with the latest technological advances, the fertility rate has increased. Either you can conceive naturally or through artificial reproductive technologies. लेकिन pregnancy अगर if the pregnancy is good, there is absolutely no harm in continuing with good antenatal support. But basically my take-home message here would be that you have to at that age go for a preconceptional counseling to your gynecologist because they will together, your caregiver will see what are your pre-existing illnesses, what are your chances of a good pregnancy, the probabilities genetically of having an unborn child with chromosomal abnormalities or Down syndrome, and with very good diagnostic tests nowadays and increasing technology, it is very, very easy now to sail through this pregnancy properly. But you must choose a good gynecologist, a good hospital, and proper antenatal care and prenatal care throughout the part which is before the pregnancy and during pregnancy. Definitely my take-home message here is that there is no harm in going for a pregnancy in the late 30s and the early 40s with absolutely good antenatal care. We are all here to guide you through this process. Thank you.